Hi, this is Ajay Anand and welcome to science classes from excelup.com. In this lesson, you will be learning about synthetic fiber. You will learn about rayon, nylon, polyester and acrylic. What is the difference between natural fiber and synthetic fiber? As the name suggests, natural fiber is obtained from plants and animals, while synthetic fiber is obtained from factories. That is, it is man-made. Synthetic fiber is made artificially, we can say. Natural fiber is less durable, while synthetic fiber is more durable. Natural fiber is biodegradable and synthetic fiber is non-biodegradable. Some examples of natural fiber are cotton, wool, silk, jute, etc. And some examples of synthetic fiber are rayon, nylon, polyester, acrylic, etc. What is a synthetic fiber exactly? In fact, synthetic fiber is a polymer. The polymer is composed of two terms, poly and mer. Poly means many and mer means unit. So a polymer is composed of many units. Let us try to understand this with the example of a garland. A garland is composed of many flowers. So each flower is a unit and a group of flower makes a garland. Similarly, different units, they are combined to make a polymer. So these are examples of polymer. These are monomers, that is single units, and many monomers, they come together to make a polymer. Rayon. Rayon was discovered at the end of the 19th century. And it was made by chemical treatment of wood pulp. So some people, they do not consider it as a truly synthetic fiber because it was made from a natural ingredient. Rayon is similar to silk. So if you can recall, silk is prized for its fine luster, feel and texture. But silk is very costly and it is costlier to maintain silk. On the other hand, rayon has similar properties to silk, but rayon is cheaper than silk and it is easier to maintain than silk, and that is why rayon is also known as the poor man's silk. Rayon can be dyed in different colors, and rayon is often mixed with cotton to make bed sheets and dress materials. Nylon. Nylon was made in 1931 and it was made from coal, water and air. The name nylon was coined from the name of two cities, New York and London, because two countries were involved in research of nylon, the USA and the UK. So NY have been taken from New York and LON have been taken from London to make the word nylon. Nylon is strong, light and elastic. Nylon is lustrous and easy to wash, and nylon thread is stronger than acid if we take the wires of steel and nylon of the same thickness. And because of its strength and elasticity. Nylon is used in making many items. It is used in making parachute, ropes for mountaineers, sports shoes, socks, school bags. There are so many items. There can be a very long list of items made of nylon. Polyester. Polyester is made of repeating units of ester. In fact, polyester is also a polymer, and the unit, that is monomer of polyester, is called ester. Ester are substances which smell like fruit, and esters, they are obtained from fruits also. Esters are utilized for making flavoring agent or fragrance, and some esters, they are used for making polyester, that is a synthetic fiber. Some examples are terylene. Terylene is used as a dress material. Then there is PET, PET. PET stands for polyethylene tetraphthalate. PET is used for making bottles, utensils, film, wire, etc. Acrylic. Acrylic is also called synthetic wool because acrylic has similar properties as wool, but it is cheaper than wool, it is durable compared to wool, and it is easier to maintain. So that is the reason acrylic is very popular, because most of the people they can afford acrylic instead of wool. Let us recapitulate now. I talked about the definition of synthetic fiber. Then I talked about some synthetic fibers like rayon, nylon, polyester and acrylic. That's all for this lesson. Thank you.